Plays back with another video. Today I'm here playing some MW3, you feel me? But this on my Xbox though, you feel me? So I just record this shit. But it's gonna be like 3 videos though. So you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. And listen, I got something for y'all boys. Hope y'all freaking like, comment, subscribe, and come out for more. And listen. I'm gonna shout out to my homeboy, brother, clothing brand. It's called Abundation. Hope y'all go over here and follow his clothing brand for me. It's called Abundation. I'm finna show y'all some pictures of it and shit like that, man. Stay in tune, cause that shit coming real soon, y'all. So y'all better hurry up and get it. You feel me? Show y'all about some pictures of it. You feel me? This the picture of the shit. I don't know if I can see it, but like, it's the picture of it. You feel me? It's a little jacket. Then I got a little shirt for you. And it's the pink one for the females and shit. But it's like, it's pink. It's the same jacket, but it's pink. You feel me? But they're not without this talking. I was going off. You feel me? I was going over the sniper and then the LNG, the little tap evolve. You feel me? Like, you know, hey, I ain't doing no more talking. Let y'all go watch this shit though. You feel me? So hell yeah. You know, if you play in MW3, add me, and I'll play with you back. No cap. Let's go. I really kick these boys ass and shit. What's going on with the sniper? Why really do this, bro? Man, come out of nowhere. You can't ignore no cap. But hey, at the end of the day, bro, I'm the best nigga on this shit. That's on me, bro. In my opinion, though, you feel me? But hey. Come on now, bro. Come on. Too easy. Come on now, bro. How do we do this? But I ain't gonna lie. It was a good ass game, bro. I dropped 23 kills and like 10 deaths on this shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. Be holding. Okay. Tag. Like I said, man. You wanna play? Then hey, I'm always free. Like I said, bro. I love to play with y'all, man. Y'all boys and girls. If you a gaming girl, bro, join me. Like same as y'all, other too. Come on, man. Like I would love to play with my subscribers though. And by the way, man, I forgot to say this in the goddamn shit though, cause I lost train of thought. But next week, Thursday, the first 10 people that text me on Instagram get a gift card. First 10 people though. Y'all better hurry up. Text me quick, fast, and hurry. So next week, cause you got time Monday through Wednesday. Y'all got time. So at Thursday night, and shit like that. That shit, y'all better be the first 10. Y'all better keep this shit coming. Cause either way it go, you know, I say like every month I'm gonna try to do like giveaways and shit like that. So boom. So you know, the first 10 people next week on Thursday, I'm get a little gift card, either Xbox, Steam, Roblox. What else? If you want V-Bucks, then hey, I go to Walmart, get that shit. You want CP points for COD, then hey, boom, shit like that. And you know, hey, first 10 people. Hey, also, man, like the video too, man. Just like the video, comment. You just comment something positive, be like, you know, great vid, or shit, you just put you can just type in E. Shoot, it don't even matter to me. Yeah, feel me? I really do this with snipers though, no doubt. So people love to camp on this shit though. Man, this shit exploded. It's crazy. Ooh, wait, boy. Okay, it was a good old game though. We could have won that though. That was, you feel me? Come on. Easy. I might die right there though. It don't even matter to me, baby. Hey. All that matters that I get niggas do. That gun really OP though, in my opinion though, no count. Oh yeah. Okay, that was on me though. I should have looked back to my side. Either way it go, guess what? I'm about the sniper though, for sure. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, and follow for more, man. Hope y'all share the video too and tell y'all friends, you know, come to my channel. Cause listen, at the end of the day, no, I like to tell with y'all, like to have fun with y'all, and I give away stuff, man. That's for sure. And I'm not like these other YouTubers like, shoot, I ain't gonna play with y'all. Y'all just do, y'all ain't my little man. Fuck all that. I'm trying to have fun with y'all. No cap. So, you know what I said? Like, hope y'all like, come subscribe. I love y'all boys and girls. Stay safe out here, man. Love y'all. No cap. Like I said, first 10 people. See my Instagram next week. I got a surprise for y'all. And also, man, shout out to my brother. Go for his clothing brand, Abundant Nation. I'm gonna send his place his Instagram on the link in the description or on the video though. You feel me? And also I'm gonna put my Instagram on the video too, so I can add me and text me. First 10 people to get my freaking surprise I got y'all next week on Thursday. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, it was a close ass game though. You know me, I had to come to touch, bro. I had to. I thought we were gonna lose this shit though. I had to say old dude for he freaking died. But hey, Central though. I dropped 23 kills on these boys. Yeah. Love y'all. Peace. And I'm out.